1 year ago, Ohio Basement Authority and Florida Foundation Authority decided to join forces with Groundworks. Our goal was to get better, provide opportunities for our team, and go to the next level. Let's take a look at our first year as a Groundworks company. I had several conversations with Groundworks and Matt Malone in regards to a partnership. And my biggest concern was how would it affect my team and also our customers.
So when we joined Groundworks a year ago, the motto was next level. We wanted to keep everything the same because we truly love the culture that we had here, and we love the company that we had here. We were promised many things in conversation with the leadership team from Groundworks. And what I have to say about that is everything that we discussed has came to fruition and more.
We have hired and recruited and onboarded more employees than we ever have before.
We had 15 employees in the Orlando branch here. We're now currently up to 36.
Create over 50 new jobs for people in the community, which is absolutely incredible.
I think when we talk about taking this thing to the next level, we're certainly showing that we're doing that.
We're starting to get into Cincinnati, which before Groundworks we had never discussed or even thought of because we did have a territory that we had to abide by.
One of the great things about being part of Groundworks is you're not alone.
We really just are Groundworks. We are one unit as a whole.
We've had crews in who've been able to come down and help with our backlog.
We've had trainers in, we've had folks helping with software, office training for the staff. I mean, you name it. It's just been a slew of how can we help you guys get better.
Training for our admin teams, our sales teams, our production teams.
And leadership training through echelon fronts. Some of the resources Groundworks has provided for the Authority family are additional tools and equipment.
5 new 16-foot MPR box trucks, as well as $110,000 worth of tools from Hilti.
The investment Groundworks is being able to put in is really easy to see, just really stepping through the doors of the warehouse.
Sales team has been setting a new bar. Every month it seems like we're getting better and better.
What was status quo is no longer the status quo. It's just been taken up another level.
They've broken the Groundworks record for monthly sales not once but twice, and now we're actually just today wrapping up a month where we'll be over $3 million.
So guys that used to be hitting $1 million sales years have now hit almost $1 million in the first 6 months.
We're just on rocket ship, and I don't see any reason why it would slow down anytime soon.
You would think that COVID would have negatively affected our business, and in fact, they've actually had the best few months.
But the beauty of it is we are the biggest foundation repair company in the entire country, and we're going to continue to grow and be better.
We've become better, more efficient, and continued to grow, but we're not done yet. This is only the beginning of our journey.